Hello everyone, have a good day. My name is Sanjeev Nayasan from Kumar. My metric ID is 060449 from Software Development course. Want to present about the tutorial how to make a compiler. So let's begin. Before that, I want to make sure you all guys install the NetBeans IDE 8.2 with JDK 8. Once you guys have installed the NetBeans IDE 8.2 and JDK 8, make sure you guys have Antler jar file and Antler plugin so the NetBeans can be detected and run the Antler language. Okay guys, once you have installed the NetBeans IDE 8.2 with JDK 8, now we're gonna create a new project. So let's go to the file, new project, Java and include Java application. Next. So at here we gonna put our name. So let's say I'm going to put my name and metric number. So done. So after that, just click finish. So there will be a Java file. So after we create the project, now we're gonna add a JAR file under these libraries. So how that we gonna do is go to the libraries, right click and add the Java folder. So I already set it as a compiler place, which I put it at download. So this is the file of the jar. Just click on it and click open. So done for that. Once we have added the libraries for the Antler jar, now we're gonna add the plugin for the Antler. So as we go to the here, actually I already have imported the Antler plugin. So let's say if you guys wanna edit it manually, so I can teach you now. Just go to the plugin and make sure you guys have downloaded the Antler plugin for the NetBeans. So I have it downloaded, and this is the one of the example. So we just click it and open. So for me, I just need to replace. So if you guys start with the new one, means it will show the as usual. So I will click yes and just install. Next. And I accept. And go to the continue. And restart now. So once you guys have installed the plugin, after that, we must make a new file. So click to the package and go to the new, go to the others. So after that, scroll to the others and press the empty file and next. So at here, okay, I'm gonna put my name with the extension G4 because this one we're gonna run with the Antler. So the Antler will support with the G4 file. So we must make it as a G4. So yeah, done. Finish. Okay, once you guys have created it, okay, we just need to copy the file. Okay, just paste it. Okay, so once you guys have pasted, okay, make sure you must change all the things that we need to change. So let's say it's like grammar file. So I have set my grammar file as grammar 060449. So then the package file I have put as Sanjeev. So make sure it must change it. So yeah, after that, just click save. And just try to clean build. Okay, then successfully. Once you have constructed the code for the grammar, so now I going to the file. Beside the project, there will be a file. So go to the file, explain my project, and go to the build XML file. So at here, we're gonna add some code for the target. So this is my example code. So this is the target for me. And make sure for the property, we must put our GAA file, GAR file with correctly. So I've put it at download compiler. And for the grammar location, we must actually at here we must put our package file location. So I have put my name and metric ID. And this is our grammar file name. So I have put as grammar 060449. So once done, we paste the code. So we just need to clean and build. So let's redo it. So there will be other grammar file will exist at the package. So once done, we need go to the Java file and implement the codes. So we can run our compile system at here. So let's begin. Once we have done construct the code, don't forget to implement with the try and catch exception. So and in which this part we must put our package name. So this is my name. So once done, okay, let's we run our code. So at this part, we show this. This is the calculation which I have implemented. The A values is 10 and including by the B 40 and 9 is the C is 9. So total overall is 450. And in this part, I can show that this is our calculation method. So once we have done for here, okay, let's we change it to the CMD method, which I will implement at here. We call for arguments. So once we done change the codes all, so now I'm going to run in CMD mode. So let's we begin. So once the CMD is appeared, okay, now we're gonna copy the code. So start from here, JR file. Copy. Just copy and paste it here and make a space and then copy this location. Just click enter. Done. That's it. So hopefully you guys will enjoy with my video, and thanks for watching. Thank you.